Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uvanele so I'm back again with indaba zakubheswe Premiership zala ku PSL yabo kwezinye izindaba iTS Galaxy isimdedelile umdlali wayo uMpho Velase the veteran midfielder uMpho Velase atafika ku TS Galaxy. They've decided to let go of uMpho Velase. I hope life yakhona uzodlala yabo I hope nje life yakhona uzofika adlale kahle because umjida umdlali odlalayo yabo uyalazi ibhola umjida lapha eswini yakwazi ukuginqa one of the creative players esengababona bedlalela iTS Galaxy. I don't know why they are releasing him. Maybe they have plans kwi markets. Maybe there are players abafuna ukumasayina sazi yabo nobody knows. Kwezinye izindaba Motsepe Foundation Championship side iUppington City FC have parted ways with the former Mamelodi Sundowns attacker uPromise Mkhuma. uPromise Mkhuma wafethu istory sakhe asikho mnandi umdlalo ubedlala iSundowns but ke amateam amaningi it seems like awekho happy ngendlela adlala ngakhona yabo nayi iUppington FC la isidecide ukumdedela iUppington City FC sorry isidecide ukumdedela umjida. It looks like top flight football for him. Alisekho mnandi ibhola kuyena umjida amateam amaningi ayamdedela ngempela. Ingabe inkinga ikuyena noma inkinga ekumateam, but I feel like inkinga ikuyena kumele ayahlale phansi umjida ayibheke ukuthi kahle kahle yini abheda ngakhona from Mamelodi Sundowns. Imagine iSundowns right now idlala le kwi Club World Cup. Ngabe uyodlala iSundowns right now kumele ayibuke ngempela esibukweni ayibuke ukuthi kahle kahle yini inkinga yami yini mina engiyenza ebhedayo because this is not okay yabo. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Orlando Pirates are in the final stages of concluding the deal of iBafana Bafana winger uThepang Moremi yabo for isizini ezayo. Ngisengabuya ke sengayikhuluma le indaba lezi kuthiwa Orlando Pirates vele ibimfuna uThepang Moremi. Nazi ke indaba sebezo update kuthiwa they are in the final stages. Ingabe Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuyiconclude le deal le bengakayi kwi pre-season beyohamba bele eSpain. Khumbula ke Pirates izoya eSpain mase ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyele eNetherlands for ama pre-season games wabo la bezoyivucavocela khona for isizini entsha ezobidlalwa. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa iKaizer Chiefs star uGaston Sirine faces a major 6.1 million tax battle. Yabo kuthiwa isazi isitake ama legal steps after Osirino reportedly ignored letter of demand and they are threatening to seize his assets if he doesn't pay up. Yabo le indaba lezi zikhishwa uSunday World. Mukhumbula kahle ke indaba ezikanje uMamkhize wayine indaba ezicishe izifane lezi yabo niza Gaston Sirino angazi kwenzakalani but ke kuthiwa imali ayikweletayo ayikweleta usazi imali engango 6.1 million. 6.1 million asazi kumjidi ngabe uzoyikhokha imali noma aqhubeke asazi ngoba usazi mase ufike kuwena usuku serious akuthathela yonke into ababuza uMamkhize. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa the Botswana International Benson Mangolo is set to join iMarumo Gallants on a free transfer. Kwabangamazi ke lo mdlalo udlalela iJohannesburg Galaxy. One of the talented players abadlalela iJohannesburg Galaxy they are looking to come ku PSL bezojoina iMarumo Gallants. iMarumo Gallants ke enye yama team edlalayo la ku Premiership efunayo ukubuyela. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa the former Mamelodi Sundowns assistant coach uRomain Folz has completed a rescue mission at Algerian club iOlympique Akbou yabo and now faces a major decision on his future. Yabo umjida lo bafethu after ededelwe Mamelodi Sundowns wahamba wayojoina iclub yale eAlgeria wayisiza ukuthi isuke lapha kwi-relegation battle wayibeka lapha mid-table. Umjida ke bafethu wenza kahle kakhulu le Algeria. Kwezinye izindaba Orlando Pirates it looks like bafuna umdedela uKarim Kwimvidi. Karim Kwimvidi bafethu omunye wabadlali odlala kuOrlando Pirates but ke right now kune club emfuna uKarim Kwimvidi and le club lemfuna ngempela engawuthi izomthola because mukhumbula kahle le club seke yafika vele ngoJanuary kuJanuary transfer window emfuna uKarim Kwimvidi but ke abakwazanga ukuconclude ideal ngoJanuary yabo. Right now they are coming back kulomdlalo. Khumbula ukuthi Orlando Pirates nayo iyamfuna umdlali waleyo club okuyini Simba esinange icoach wayo former Orlando Pirates coach uyacoacha lapha ufuna uKarim Kwimvidi. Orlando Pirates ifuna umdlali wabo ukuKipu Dennis yabo. Kipu Dennis is one of the top targets efuna iKaizer Chiefs. Ingabe bazokwazi nikumthola umjida asazi but ke ngizwile kuthiwa kune swap deal enzeka layo behind the scenes. Ingabe bazomthola yini uKarim Kwimvidi badayise uKiphu Dennis. But ke that's a story for another day. Asazi noma lama deals lawa azoconcludewa noma cha. But ke Orlando Pirates imifuna ngempela uKiphu Dennis kumele ishaye iswap deal because mizoyishaya iswap deal le bazokwazi ukumthatha umjida bahambe naye baye le eSpain for i preseason bakwazi ukujima naye umjida bam understand.